Hi, my name is Karen, and I'm a client with Clear Start Tax Relief. I've been working with them for 6 months now. One of the biggest pains with my tax situation before getting started with Clear Start Tax Relief was the interest that the IRS was putting on my tax debt that I owed them. I probably would have had a lien put against my paychecks until the bill was paid off. My experience with Clear Start Tax Relief going through with them, they kept me in the loop. They either emailed me all the time or they would call me and let me know my tax situation and what they were doing to help me. What surprised me the most about Clear Tax Start Relief was their willingness to always help. And they were very friendly whenever I called and had a question. My tax issue came from a 2015 purchasing a car, and not enough taxes were taken out. So I owed, to begin with, $5,500, and when I didn't do anything about it, it had accrued up to $8,500, and that's where I'm at. So the outcome of my taxes going through this program is I'm currently in a non-collectible status, which is awesome. So thank you very much. And I would tell anybody who's going through a major tax debt crisis to always go through this company, Clear Start Tax Relief, because I would recommend them. And they're very nice people. And again, they would do anything and everything to try to help people out.